This is not Indian curry or Thai curry. Then is it Korean or Japanese? Or does it even matter to discuss this topic? Well, the most important thing is I can share my delicious curry recipe using simple ingredients like chicken, onion, and garlic. So let's begin. First, let's talk about the core ingredients. These are bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I don't care about the bones, but chicken skin is very important ingredient. This is the main flavoring agent, so make sure to have the skin. Now, let's talk about the curry powder. This is a Korean brand, and I chose like a medium spicy level. If you can't find this particular product, then it's okay. You can use like a Japanese curry block or whatever. Just make sure to add little by little and taste as you go. And the onions. I'm not gonna use any other vegetables other than onion and garlic, which means you're gonna use a lot. And the hard-boiled egg. This is a large size egg, and then I boiled it for about 8 minutes. And of course, I shocked it right away to stop cooking it further. And you'll need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. So let's start prepping. We need Julienne the onions and a little bit of picked parsley for the garnish. Peel the boiled eggs, and we're gonna cook these further later. And let's debone the chicken. Using a sharp knife, make an opening along the bones. You dig out the bones and then scrape off all the meat. And make a cut around the joint cartilage. Cut the meat into bite-sized pieces and it's done. Because you're gonna render out a lot of chicken fat, you just need a touch of oil to just coat the surface of the pan. When the pan is smoking hot, you drop your chicken. Lay all the pieces flat on the surface and just leave it. Do not stir fry this, you just leave it on the pan, let the pan do the work. When one side is nicely brown, just flip all the pieces. When your chicken is nice golden brown color like this, it's good to go. And scrape off all the brown bits and pieces on the bottom of your pan using your wooden spoon. There are 2 reasons for doing this. First, you want to save this for the flavor. And if you leave these stuck on the pan, they're gonna burn and taste bitter. Now on the same pan, you're going to cook off the surface of the eggs. And you want it a little bit darker than your chicken skin color. Just like this. After this, you're going to add the onions to the pan and switch to a low heat. Add a tablespoon of butter and sweat the onions for about 3 minutes. Now you add back all the cooked chicken thighs, including the rendered fat. Then add a tablespoon of minced garlic, curry powder. Make sure you mix well to incorporate curry flavor to all ingredients. Switch to a high heat and add your chicken stock. Using the chicken stock as a deglazing agent, you're going to scrape off all the good flavor on the bottom of the pan. You really don't want to miss out the amazing flavor that you've been working on. Know what I'm saying? After deglazing, bring it to a light boil. And now's the time for the eggs to come in. Roll the eggs in the curry mix a little bit. And simmer everything for about 5 minutes. Heat up a small pan with a tiny bit of butter. Spread the warm rice flat on the pan and slightly brown one side. And cover the rice with delicious chicken curry. Ah, this egg looks so delicious. And finish with your parsley garnish. I'd like to say this is the beauty of simplicity, and I double dare you to try this at home. If you enjoyed watching my video, please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell, and I'll be back with more exciting recipes.